Human hands still guide the first step of production.
Every grain begins its journey rooted in fertile soil. Quality is judged before the cut is made. Harvesting turns months of growth into motion. Each bundle carries thousands of future grains. Machines now amplify the rhythm of harvest.
Precision replaces speed without losing care.
Separation begins even before transport. Volume builds grain by grain. The harvest takes portable form. Every kilogram is accounted for. The journey from field now begins. The land rests after giving its yield. Raw harvest now meets industry.
Harvest leaves the fields and enters motion.
Local paths connect farms to factories. Scale increases as distance grows. Stability protects every grain. The supply chain gains speed.
Distance compresses through infrastructure.
Flow becomes visible from above.
Industry rises at the edge of farmland.
Identity marks the destination.
Control ensures traceability.
Raw material meets infrastructure.
Volume demands coordination.
Precision begins before processing.
Raw harvest is revealed again.
The factory takes over from here. Mechanical flow now replaces manual effort.
Raw grain enters the system. Gravity becomes the first machine.
Controlled motion begins sorting potential.
Vertical movement organizes flow. This is where volume becomes precision.
Logistics clears space for processing. Storage prepares material for pacing.
Capacity defines continuity. Human oversight guides automation.
Raw grain moves deeper inside. Scale turns complexity into order.
Clean air protects clean grain.
Discipline sustains efficiency.
The first refinement is about to begin. Cleaning begins by removing the obvious.
Motion reveals difference in weight and size. Gravity filters what does not belong.
Air becomes a silent tool. Invisible threats are quietly stopped.
Purified flow moves onward.
Uniformity improves efficiency.
Only the right size moves forward.
Human judgment confirms machine accuracy. Fine-tuning sharpens results.
Prepared material waits its turn. The core transformation approaches. Clean environments protect yield. Alignment ensures continuity. The first true transformation begins now. Alignment ensures continuity. Alignment ensures continuity.
Separation defines usable value.
Incomplete grains are given another chance. Nothing is wasted in repetition. The grain reveals its inner form.
Waste exits, value remains.
The grain prepares for refinement. Layers are removed with restraint. Byproducts find their own purpose.
Consistency demands repetition.
Heat is controlled to protect quality.
Cooling stabilizes structure. Refinement becomes visible. Color confirms transformation. Sorting now defines final quality.
Length defines market value.
Integrity earns its place. Surface perfection begins. Controlled moisture adds brilliance.
The grain reaches its final form.
Stability follows transformation. Vision replaces human sight.
Defects are removed in milliseconds.
Precision tightens quality margins.
Data confirms consistency.
Human judgment remains essential.
The process nears completion. The process nears completion. Only precision steps remain.
Automation locks in accuracy. Logic governs the flow.
Timing defines efficiency. Repetition without fatigue.
Stability ensures clean filling.
Volume meets precision.
Accuracy is adjusted instantly.
Filled product moves ahead.
Uniformity prepares sealing.
Closure secures the product.
Traceability is embedded.
Standards are enforced instantly. Automation hands over to inspection. Final details are revealed under light.
Human touch verifies machine work.
A perfect seal protects quality.
Safety is checked one last time.
Precision is confirmed.
Order prepares for storage. Systems are constantly tested. Completion gathers volume. Preparation meets repetition.
Patterns replace randomness.
Stability is locked in.
Protection comes next.
Transport readiness is sealed.
Finished goods move to storage.
Before dispatch, quality faces its final test.
Sampling represents the whole.
Controlled spaces protect accuracy.
Testing begins with preparation.
Moisture defines shelf life.
Structure reflects processing precision.
Color confirms refinement. Purity is visually confirmed.
Freshness is sensed, not measured.
Results become records.
Approval releases the batch.
Quality loops back into process. Only approved goods move forward.
Quality clears the path to market. The final movement is about to begin.
Finished rice now waits for demand.
Every pallet is digitally tracked.
Storage converts to movement. Orders shape the final flow.
Transport meets readiness.
Distribution officially begins.
Records release responsibility.
The product enters the market.
This is the finished grain.
Stored, ready, and reliable. Prepared for markets everywhere.
And this is how modern factories produce rice from start to finish.
From field to bag, precision feeds the world.